Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to change password on Gmail account. So guys, let's continue into your Gmail account and then tap on the profile icon. Now tap on Google account. Now you can see there have a option security, so tap on it. Now swipe down and then tap on password. And guys, at first you have to enter your present password here because they will verify you. So now I'm entering my password here. And guys, after entering the password, just tap on next. And guys, now you can set your new password and also change password here. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can change password on Gmail account very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.